But Thompson is certainly the one who's mixing his techniques up more here.
Yes! Beautiful!
There's a nice jab.
Through the inside.
Big body. Whitaker's in big trouble.
Yep. And again he connects. He's looking to finish him both. Can he do it here? Mario Yamasaki all over.
That's it.
It is all over.
Stephen Thompson, so special. His ability to move in and out. His ability to snake-like land these combinations. Slide back, 1-2, boom, right hand on the button. And even you see as he lands that right hand, he's moving away from potential counters. He sees Whitaker go down, and he swarms on him. And here Whitaker's grabbing a hold of that leg, but Thompson is just...